Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect monday.com to HubSpot forms for lead intake. Easy tutorial, step by step, clearly. First, log into your monday.com account. Next, open your relevant board where you want to track leads. Navigate to the Integrate section in the upper right corner of the board. Click on Add New Integration. In the Integration Center, search for HubSpot. Select the HubSpot integration option. You'll see a list of available triggers and actions. For lead intake, choose the trigger that says when a new form is submitted. Connect your HubSpot account if prompted. You may need to authenticate or allow permissions for monday.com to access your HubSpot data. After connecting, select the specific form you want to use for lead intake. Now, map the fields from your HubSpot form to the columns in your monday.com board. For example, match the lead's name, email, and phone number. Preview the configuration to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, click Create Integration. Your integration is now active. Any new leads submitted through your HubSpot form will automatically populate into your monday.com board. You can now manage these leads directly within your monday.com workspace. That's it. You've successfully connected monday.com to HubSpot forms for lead intake. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.